Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be in the 50s the next 7 days. And the girls are working on the store, and I'm going to be working on the mill. Chris is here.
Hey guys.
Hey, Chris. How you doing today, Chris?
Doing all right.
Good, good. He's going to be helping out. We're going to hopefully get this mill going. This has been an exciting moment building up for both of us.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
well, Chris is going to be a part of the help today. We're going to get this thing running. That's the goal today, is get this running. So we've got the roller tables in the truck that we're going to pull out and set up. And we've got to finish leveling off, jacking up, leveling this off, getting it up on blocks and 4x4s. And see if we can cut some lumber today. That's the goal, right?
Yep.
Let's see how it goes. Well, let's unveil this poor old thing.
Yep.
Get it uncovered and get it ready for action.
We want this 2x6.
Just over here. We'll put all the wood down over there. Yeah, right along here. That's fine.
I don't want us tripping over it.
Yep. Now there's ice in here, so I gotta knock out the ice. Flip it over that way.
Yeah, I was trying to get the ice off.
Yeah, it's loaded. There we go. Let's I think we'll lay it out as long as it's not windy.
Yeah, the same guy left this can dry out.
Yeah, I'll come to you.
Please, right over here.
All right, I gotta go get the jack, and then we gotta get the things. Well, let's pull them out of the truck, Chris. Get the rollers tables out, and we gotta see how high we gotta put this. This is the second one. Let's get the first one out. I think this is first, because then that one's going to bolt onto this one, see?
That goes on the back side here, right?
See, there's some... We're going to have to take the tire off. Actually, I think the axle is probably going to be in the way. I'm not sure yet. I think the axle is going to be in our way.
Yeah, I was just thinking that much.
We might have to pull that out. I really didn't want to do that. But this table is going to go on over here, and I can see already. Let's lay this down. And I can see already, I'm going to grab that in. We'll just lay it up next to that. We'll see how high we have to go. It's a long way. Turn around, spin around. Just so you can see the height of that board. They go up next to the axle. Right there. That way we get an idea. Look. We got a long way to go. That's some work. We got a long way to go yet on that. I'm just going to spin this off to try it. Watch yourself. Boy, we got some serious amount of jacking and lifting to do. Because that The problem is the height of that. Boy, it's too bad I couldn't spin this around. Because that's got to be level. And that's where the logs are or the wood is gonna fall off and roll out of our way.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of height to make up. That means this side's gonna be way high off the ground. That's a problem the way this is on the ground right now. We've agreed we have to move forward with this to get more and more level ground, or we're never gonna be able to run this right. It's just too badly sloped right here. You can't, I don't think you can get them out.
We're gonna have to
use the
jack.
jack on your side.
That's what I thought. I just wanted to make sure.
So we got to get the blocks out there because there's a lot of space here. It's waist height. Back there it's not. So this is not going to work out for us at this height. We've got to change that. Chris is just pulling out the jack. Now back here I'm hoping this is just going to slide off. That's on there pretty good. I think we got to jack this up, Chris, because it's on pretty firm.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring.
All right, let me get that jack. I thought it was going to come right out because of the slope of the ground. Oops. Which way am I going? There we go. Came off the screw. I'll run the jack. You pull it out real quick. Just slide it right out of the way. Yep. All right. I'll get the other side. I gotta switch jackets. It's getting warm.
Yeah, I have to take off my hood.
All right, coming around.
No way on the jack.
That's good. All right. Yeah, that was a lot of pressure on it. More than I thought it would be. All right, let's pull this out of here. Chris, you tell me when you think. See how low that is right there, right?
Yeah.
But we still got to be able to have room. So if I can line the tractor about right here, if we get the drive shaft right about here,
Yeah.
I can still get the tractor in. Right? I should still be able to get in.
Yeah.
If not, we can skid those logs out if we have to.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah, tell me when the drive shaft is lined up. You ready?
Yep. More. We're good.
So, how do we look back there now, though? It's higher.
Yeah.
There's still a slope, but it's not as bad. I'm wondering if we might just want to skid those logs out later. We got room.
Yeah.
We can go forward. We can move the tractor into here,
Yeah.
right? We can pull that truck out if we need to.
Yeah. Exactly.
So let's go. What do you think here?
Yeah, we'll try right there.
And that'll give us a little bit more level ground.
Alright.
Now how are we looking?
That's a little better.
That's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah.
We still got to come up a ways. But not as high.
Yeah.
One cement block will do it
Yeah.
above where it is.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And then it's about level ground now. The front is lower now.
Yeah.
All right, that's where we're gonna put it. Grab the jack, please.
Yep.
We're gonna get this off the truck, and then we're gonna level this out. Well, that's a lot of hardware to move a mill, but it's on much more level ground now. The front is lower, which is fine. It's a lot better off now though. So we're gonna get that off. We'll see in a few minutes. All right, it's been about 30-40 minutes. We got that. Chris, step aside, show how high that is. The blocks. We had to jack that way up. Yeah. We're about to roll that axle out so we can get this down and we can get our cage around the blade. So I'm going to go on this side. We'll roll that right on back.
Yep. He's out.
That'll be done.
That's not rolling as bad as I
No,
thought
it's
it
not
was.
bad at all. I thought it would be harder.
Yeah, I thought we were going to have to use tracking.
Yeah. Not that bad. Now we got to stop it from rolling on us. You gonna stop?
But I got to grab some pieces of wood.
Let it go. Good. Well, there's that. Now I gotta let it all back down again and level it off. Well, guys, we had to put that up high because in order to get these roller tables to line up, we had to be up off the ground high enough for the roller tables. So we got that. We are up there. And we had to take the wobble out, so we've got a bunch of cement blocks under this for now. And I actually want to put 2 more where Chris is standing, and then 2 more here, and move these in some, and give us some more stability. But we're going to just run some little jack pines on here for a test for today, and that'll be it. Now, I still got to get a bolt in here. This stops the blade from vibrating too much. So I got to get that in. I have to go find one. What else do we got to do before we can run it? Clean up the area, right, Chris? What else is there we're missing? That's it, right? Put the roller tables on. I mean, we don't need the roller tables to run a... Yeah, I think we'll put them up. You know why? Just to give that board something to flop onto when we cut it. That way, it'll flop off onto the table, and you can pull it right on off out of our way. So, it's still below waist height though, so it's not bad. Where's my leg? Right there. It's not bad. It's still doable. It's still comfortable. It is how it is for now. So this took forever. This took us literally hours, because when you adjust one point, another point is off. And there can't be any twists this way, because then your wood isn't going to be straight. And you don't want sag in the middle, and you definitely want support when that log's running down that thing. It was a lot of work, but I think we got it pretty good for now. And then of course there's going to be settling as it runs. It'll settle with time, and we're going to have to readjust over time. But I'm happy we moved it, right, Chris?
Yeah.
We'd have never got it where it was.